Welcome to smsAd.online. Today our tutorial is about names correction. For example, if you're sending SMS blast and you see numbers on hold, it's mean you have name issue. To correct the names, you need to first understand why names are so important. To understand that, you need to follow some few steps. Please focus. For example, Ali is a receiver and 222 is Ali mobile number, while 111 is your virtual or receiver number. Ali will receive SMS from 111 and he will receive on 222. For example, this is Ali. There is a blast sender, for example you're sending an SMS on our platform. You have two customers. One is Steve, one is Ali. Now you need to understand this part. Whenever you send a blast, normally in other platforms you send it different way. But here we catch your names and we help you to reduce the customer bad impression and improve your marketing way and make it more effective. Now let's understand, whenever you send a blast and Steve receive, let's suppose Ali name, and Ali receive Steve name. This means this will badly affect your marketing, like this. But look at this. Ali has received, or Steve has received Ali name and his message like, "Dear Ali, how are you?" And Steve receive a message, "Hey, dear Ali, how are you?" And Ali receive a message, "Dear Steve, how are you?" Now this is the totally bad marketing and bad impressions. What will the customer think about you when he is Ali and receive a message for the name Steve? This will be totally bad marketing. And what Steve will think about you when he see his name as Ali? So this is bad way of marketing. We reduce that thing on our platform. We do it this way. Whenever you send a blast, every time you do it, if in case you have wrong name, for example, you have on your list you have the contact for Steve and the name is Ali, the system will catch it and put it on hold. But if it is not Ali, if it is Steve for Steve and Ali for Ali, so the system will let it go and send it. That way your marketing will improve and the customer will understand you more. You will have a great impression, and all your messages are received under one chat thread. We will show you more tutorials about that, and now that way is a good marketing, and this will put the great impression on your marketing. On about one chat thread, we will bring more tutorials. Please stay connected with us and follow our YouTube channel. We will bring more about the thread. One chat thread we will show you in next tutorial, because that concept is really different and we are totally unique from other networks. Thank you. Stay blessed and stay connected. Let's see how names are working and how you can correct your names. For example, you are logged in and you have numbers on hold in your system. To correct your names, you need to go to all the uploader and click on name corrections. Whenever you do this, you will see all those names that is on hold. All those contacts that is on hold. Those contacts that have wrong names already stored in the system and you upload the wrong names for that thing, those contacts, system will put it on hold and bring it here. There's a very easy way to update those names with few clicks. All you have to do is click on check all, and there are two options: update in file or update in system. Update in system means you are updating the file names that you just uploaded to the system, and you want to update all the stored contact name in the system. But update in file means this is temporary update. You want to bring the system names into the file, and you are about to update the system the uploaded file names. So when you do this, the system will take them out from hold and will let you go, will let you send the messages. Now let me do some steps here and try to understand this. This total error mean all those names that there is on the error list are, for example, on hold, and you want to correct it. So for example, I click on update in file this time, and system will do it directly. You see this? When I reload, this will reduce. It turns to 23. Again I do this and update in file. I can also choose those that I want to update in the system and I want to update in the files. So all I just need to do is simply uncheck those that I want to update in the system. For example, I have checked all and I want to this one as updating the system. So simply when I hit update in file, this one will not be updated. Now when you reload it, on next reload, you can choose this name and update in system, but I will not do so for now. You can continue, and this way it will all disappear. Until it becomes 0, keep continue. Keep going. So as I have reached 16, I'll continue update in file, and this will reduce your time. If in case you got an issue like this and it's no more updating, you need to contact us on support@smsad.online or our WhatsApp number that is on our website front page. Now as you see, it turns to 0. It's mean all done. Now when you send a bulk SMS, when you go to send bulk SMS and you send a blast, it will send to all of them that were on hold. It will automatically activate and will send the message to that. Thank you. Stay connected. Stay in touch. Please subscribe. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.